Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to copy text from photo or any website on your Samsung device. This is the Samsung S25 Ultra running the One UI 7 version. Also, if you have any Samsung device and you can copy text from the photo or images, follow this tutorial. In this video, I will show you two different methods to copy text on your Samsung device. First method is the AI select option that is available in the Edge panel. Just swipe the right to open the Edge panel on your device. Here you can see the AI select option. Tap on it. Now you can tap or draw around something to select. So here we select the Samsung option. Now here you can select. You can also increase it by like this on your if you want to copy image or anything else. But here I will show how to copy text. So select the portion of the text you want, and here you can see the copy. Now copy to clipboard. So quite easy. You can also use any website like open website on your device. Select the Chrome. Now swipe open the Edge panel, tap on AI select. Now here you can copy text from the just tap on the option like here we tap. Now here you can see select the word like this. You can increase size also on your device to copy text from the photo also on the device. Second method, you can use the circle to search feature. Just open the image or photo like you want to copy text. So here we open the photo, include text. Let's see, like here we open this image on my phone. Now open the image. Now long press the middle button to launch the circle to search on your Samsung device. Now draw you want to copy. Now select text option available here. So select the text option on your device to copy text from image. So we select text. Now select like this. You want to copy text from image on your Samsung device like this. So here we select this portion. Now tap on a copy button to copy the text from the copy. Now copy to clipboard and you can paste it anywhere. So quite easy to copy text from the image or any photo on your Samsung One UI 7 or any other latest Samsung device using this AI select and circle to search. Which method is your favorite method to copy text from your Samsung device? That please share it with yours. That's it. Like it, share it.